Launching your website is one of the most important steps your business will ever take. It will help you directly engage with your audience and make more money. As you develop your website, keep these 5 key points in mind. 1. Your website must work as a marketing tool for your business. 2. Its design, content, and scalability will be crucial to your success. 3. Your website must take advantage of search engine optimization, also known as SEO, so your customers can easily find it. 4. Its functionality must be easy for customers to use, keeping up with ever-changing market dynamics. And 5, your website must take advantage of online video and social marketing. Now, eComNets understands the impact all these factors will have on your business, and we're here to meet your web design and development needs. We're a CMMI Level 3 software solution provider with the experience and technical know-how to deliver customized website solutions and support. We'll enable you to respond faster to changing market dynamics by delivering high-quality, cost-effective, and seamless solutions that add value to your business. Our collaborative business experience and solutions include e-commerce, content management, e-solutions, SEO, internet marketing, social media, and more. Why wait? Call us for a free consultation at 1-800-541-7205.